Hello everybody. A lot of you have been struggling with iPhone battery cells swaps, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Unfortunately for this swap I didn't have the mobile centrics battery cell. I really like them. They're really good quality. I just want you to know that your tools, your skill set in this matters. When we started doing these battery cell swaps, it didn't go well. I also had a lot of I was missing the skill set for it. But today I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So let's start. For this, I don't recommend you using any Qianli tools or Qianli, whatever the Chinese name is. What I prefer and I really like working with is JC. The best tool that you can get for battery swaps, doing screen repairs, face IDs. I really love JC. The thing is, it's like Apple. They work. They have no issues. It's expensive, but it works. This is a JC cable, the battery cable that you need to perform the battery recycling. And I'm using real life mini portable battery welding machine. We recently bought it because the Qianli one or whatever that was, we were also having problems with it. It wasn't welding well. It was just awful to use. Like, you had to weld, like, for some batteries we did like the welding procedure, we did over 10 times of it, but it just wouldn't weld. With this one, man, this is a miracle. I really love real life. I have real life stencils as well, phone holders. They really know what they're doing. Just buy this one. None of them like asked me to make any video. It's just me doing on my own, to teaching you how to do it. So let's start. What we first need to do is take the old battery. I think this is a 12 Pro. This doesn't work. This is a 12 mini, so we will take it out. Oh, here's a little sticker. We have to take this off, and what I like to do is I just inject isopronal in it, let it work, let it do its magic, and go slowly underneath it. Like this. Let me check if there is any image. Yeah, you can see it. I'm recording this with my GoPro. I'm new to GoPro, so just want to make sure that it's going well. That's it. The sticker is out, and you peel it off like that. Like that. And then you just peel it off. Just make sure that you don't damage this cable, because then it's the end of the story. You can stop doing mobile battery swaps. And then you put some ISO in here. This is also glued. And then just take it out like this. That's it. In my experience, the iPhone 12 batteries are the easiest one to do, and I believe whoever is doing them, they don't like the XS Max, because it's two battery cells which needs to be soldered. It's actually easy to do, to be honest. It's just more work. You know, when you're replacing a battery from a client, you just want to do it as soon as possible. That's it. Look. And then what you do is you cut this cable first from one side and then from the another side. Just make sure that you don't connect these two. Like that. And then what I do is just move around like that. And this is how I remember the positioning of the cable. Sure that this that's okay. A little bit more. Yep, like that. Okay, so this is how the battery was, and this is how you want your new cell on it. Okay, here is the new battery cell. These I got from China. I use these battery cells. I just bought them recently, to be honest. Okay, so what you need here is you need to cut them on the size of where you can, you know, fold this cable back in original state. So what I do is I have an idea how to do it because I've done so many. So like that, and then you take one from this side. Okay, so what I noticed in mobile Centrix batteries, both the cells, you know, these things, they are both the same strength, whereas these Chinese, they have one is a little bit weak cable. It's like, you know, I can do this, and this one is really hard. That might make a difference to mobile Centrix. They can think about it. Okay, that's it. Now let's weld it. I don't use any microscope anymore for this. Just put them like this. You know, good thing about real life, it's these welders, they are pointy. They are not like this Kian Lee shit. I don't know why. Kian Lee is the first one who came up with this solution. I don't know why they are such bullshit tools. Okay, so that's how I want it. And then you just press on one side and press on the other. It's welded. You keep this one here. 1, 2. It's welded. And the same goes for the other side. One, 2. It's welded. And now you just move them like this. There you go. Alright, so let's test this battery if it's working. Just make sure you don't touch the metal. It's working. Okay, that's good. Take it out. Put the phone back. Now we're gonna put this on the battery. It's really important that you do it well, because that makes a big difference on how clean the battery looks. There you go. Back. This trigger is, wait, let me correct it. Just like that, clean. And then we're gonna put this JC tag on cable on it. Look, move it like this, because that's how the JC cable work. And 12, wait, let me turn on the JC. English, 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro is the same connector. I think as is the cable. Oh wait, think. Okay. Well, the first time I have problem with JC. Think it's this battery. I found this old battery somewhere. It's awful. Just take it out. Okay, so this is the 12 mini connector. Oh wait, I didn't put it in English. Let me take it out. English. Health, please activate. Activate. Health 100%. Cycle clear. That's it. We are done. Take it out. Now this is a really important part, what I'm going to show you now. We need to start this phone. Before we put this battery, we need to start it with another iPhone 12 mini battery or with a power supply. I don't have a 12 mini battery, so I'm just gonna start it with a power supply. Let's go with me. Oh, look, my lotus birds. These are my donut birds. Okay, put you here. Let's see if you can see me. Yeah, this is my heat coming way. Wait, let me see what I can do. Put it here. Okay, so 12 mini power supply. Starting. Well, here's the thing, we need to get the notification that Apple cannot verify if the battery is original or not. That's all we need from this phone right now. So we're on phone, so this is the password. Go to the settings, battery condition. It's verifying the battery. Come on. And when you see the notification, you can just turn off the power supply. There you go. We don't need to click on OK or whatever, just turn off the power supply. Take out the cable. Go back to another table. Let's see if you can see me. You can see me. Okay, so we're gonna put this battery back now with the cable. That JC cable is still on it. It's really important that it remains on it. Okay, I think this battery is dead. Charge it up. Boom. Turns on. One, two, three, four, five, six. To the settings. Battery. Still sees the old one. Let me correct it again. It should see the new battery percentage. Sometimes you just have to do it twice. Let me see if I had the right cable for this. Yeah, it's the 12 mini and 12 Pro. Okay, we're gonna do this procedure again. 12 mini. No, wait, didn't put it in English. English. Okay, I'm gonna do it differently this time. I'm just gonna go to health. Strange. Right. Cycle. Right. I will be back with power supply procedure. Just showed you. Okay, I saw the notification, battery notification again. It's really important. If the data is not corrected, you have to see the notification again, otherwise it won't correct the percentage or the battery capacity. Let's do it. Let's see what it does now. Strange. Still 88%. This never happened to me before. Let me try another cable. I've used this cable with another phone as well. It could be that it's not working with the new phone. Yeah, I think it wasn't working with that cable because I have used it for another phone. New cycles. Oh, it's a good thing you also see the failures that could happen while doing battery swaps. Let me get back to you. Okay, let's try again. To all of mini. Yep, 100%. So you can use only one cable. You can use one cable only one time for iPhone 12 series. There was a trick to reuse these cables, but I think it doesn't work with iPhone 12 series. So you can use only one cable with one phone, and it's locked to that phone. Well, you saw me doing it. You saw the failures that we see. That's the whole procedure. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that you understand the risks and the procedure.